Alright, I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of that nasty old Alight Motion watermark for free, and it's not illegal. I promise it's not illegal. Okay, so you're gonna wanna open Alight Motion, right? Go to the project that you want to export without the logo. Set the watermark at the top and then export it. Alright, so you're gonna save that. And then you're gonna go back. When you press the watermark, it's gonna be watermark top or bottom. I normally exit out and then go back because it always glitches after I press bottom. But then you're gonna wanna export this too. Okay, so once you got that bottom, you're gonna wanna save it, alright? Don't take that out of context. But then you're gonna go to CapCut or your editing software that doesn't have like a free subscription or something that makes you look at the watermark or whatever. Okay, so export the top watermark, okay? Don't move it around like that because it's gonna screw the entire thing up. Then do that, okay? I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. I'm putting in the bottom watermark overlay on top of the top. And then you're gonna go to edit, crop, and just crop out the Alight Motion thingamajig, okay? Now, if it don't match up, you can always like make it transparent or something, you know? But yeah, this is what it should look like. And yeah, now you don't have a Alight Motion like watermark.